I would like to dedicate this song, Here Comes the Sun, to Romel, because he has this very positive energy. And on his birthday, I want to wish him the best of everything, more blessings to come. Happy, happy birthday.
Happy 50th golden birthday to you, Romel. I hope and I pray that whatever it was desire of your heart, may the Lord grant it. And I pray for a long, satisfied life, good health, and a strong body. God bless you, together with joy and the two boys. Take care and stay safe.
Happy birthday to my favorite pinsan. Wishing you good health and happiness always. God bless your family. Happy birthday, Mel.
Hey you, don't make it bad. Sing a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart and give us time to make it better. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. La 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 Happy birthday, Tito Romel. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tito Romel. Sad to miss this special occasion. Hope to see you next time. God bless always. Enjoy. Happy. Say hi.
Hi, Tito Romel. Happy birthday po. I just want to say po na thank you po sa mga ginagawa niyo po sa family natin. I wish you all the best po and more birthdays to come po. Again, happy birthday po, Tito. See you there!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello everyone! Gusto ko lang batiin si Kuya Romel ng happy birthday po. And God bless you and your family po. Happy birthday po ulit!
Happy birthday, Kuya Romel! Happy 50th birthday. 50 is the next 40. So, ano kaya pag 60 na? So, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day. Ang isang memory hindi ko makalimutan is yung day dun sa Segay before na naglalaro sila ni Keegan, tapos ako lang yata nakita ng labas niya. Tapos, habang pumasok ko sa kwarto, may naririnig ko, dami na nagwawala sa labas. Kasi bakit daw nawawala si Keegan, bakit kung saan napunta, hindi nila alam na dinala mo siya sa playground. Kaya, yun ang pinaka-funniest memory na naaalala ko from us. And I'm very thankful na every Christmas, you guys are very welcoming, especially you, yung titas and ang family, and especially Keegan and Lola Jan. So, maraming salamat for your care, for your love, and I hope you have a great day, and here's to many more.
Happy birthday, Kuya Romel, to my one and only brother-in-law. Ikaw na talaga ang aking kaisa-isa, Kuya, whether you like it or not. Marami kaming memories ni Kuya Romel. I remember, I went on my first business trip to Singapore. Tapos kinikwento ko sa kanila na pinalulungkot ako kasi namimiss ko na si Keegan. Tapos kumakain siya nung ice catchang ata yun. Tapos hindi siya talaga nakatingin sa akin. Sabi nila, oh, hindi ka nakakilala noon kapag balik mo, baka hindi ka nakilalang mami noon. Tapos di niya, paglingon niya, pag akit niya doon sa ice catchang niya, nagulat talaga siya, umiiyak na pala ako. So, palagi yun, hindi na namin makalimutan yun. He's also the doting ninong of Keegan. So, notorious yan kasi gusto namin ilugdog si Keegan. nagplastikan sa pool for the very first time. Walang gustong gumawa, siya yung gumawa. So ngayon, hanggang ngayon, sinisisi namin siya na takot sa tigan sa water dahil sa kanya. So many memories. But thank you, Kuya, for taking care of Ate. I really see na sobra mo siyang spoil. I also see that the boys are really strong and well-rounded and sporty and very nice and kind because of you. Hindi talaga yan kay Ate. So mahal na mahal ka namin at patuloy kitang paglulutuan ng kahit na ano, kare-kare, kahit anong gusto mo dahil ayaw kitang pakainin ng shrimp papol. We love you very much and happy 50th birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Ninong Amel. And here's the 50 more. Love you!
Happy birthday, Mel! Mel, thank you so much sa mga lahat ng ginagawa mong kabutihan sa amin, especially sa akin. Kung hindi ako nakakalakad, yung pagtulak mo sa wheelchair. Thank you so much. Talagang masayang-masaya ako dahil napakabait mo. Mabait na manugang. Naiyak naman ako. Thank you, Mel. Especially pag dumarating ako, nakahanda na yung mga bread na na para sa akin. Thank you. Sana enjoy mo yung birthday mo, tsaka maging okay lahat ng health mo. Thank you so much. We all love you.
Happy birthday, Romel! Nagtataka ka ba kung bakit meron akong suot nito? Kasi this hat reminds me of you. Ang iyong Waway hat. Naalala ko noon, nung boyfriend-girlfriend pa lang kayo ni Joy, meron kang Waway hat na mahal mo at secretly ninanakaw, tinatago, at pinagdidiskitahan ni Joy. So, with that, I can only admire how authentic you are of what you like. And pinanindigan mo na yun ang mahal mong hat. But anyway, happy birthday! I wish you health. I wish you continuous happiness with your family. And sana yung new journey mo with your investment would prosper. Happy birthday!
Romel, happy 50th birthday. 5 dekada ka na. May ultimatum si Madam na mag-send daw ng video kasi huli na kaming dalawa ni April Lim. I just want to wish you a happy birthday and name something daw that reminds me of you. Siguro ito yung first time na dinala ka ni Joy sa Dempsey Hill for dinner. And then, awkward ka na parang gusto mo nang mabaon sa lupa. Pero dahil nandun kami, hindi mo magagawa yon. And then, ang warning ni Joy is, invited lang daw ako pag hindi ako magtanong ng mahihirap na tanong. Hindi ko alam ano ang mahirap na tanong dahil ang natanong ko lang naman ay, saan ka nagtatrabaho at saan ka nakatira? But anyway, fast forward to today, hindi na lang yung dalawang tanong ang natatanong ko. Meron na rin kung ano ang binibili mong stocks, ano ang ginagawa mo pag nagagalit si Joy, yung mga ganyan. So, in fairness, nag-improve naman ang iyong communication skills at ang aking self-controlling skills. Anyway, happy birthday and more years to come.
I met Romel few years back sa Dempsey ata, yung birthday ni Joy. So, pumunta ako doon out of curiosity. So, ang tanong ko doon, paano kaya naging sila ni Joy? Lagi namang wala at di makagilak. That second, paano kaya sasagutin ni Romel ng mga tanong or interrogation ng mga kaibigan niya katulad ni Wena at Gail na sobrang alaskadora. Looking back, Romel did well and he saved me. Siya na ngayon ang number 1 target ng mga to. Lalo na ni Wena at ni Gail. Happy birthday sa iyo, Romel. Happy Golden. Huwag ka maglala. Nire-ready ko na ang SG 50 Club natin. Iisa-isahin natin silang ilagay ito. At of course, may parang Avengers yan eh. May phase 2 ka pa. May habol ka pa. So, pwede pang third, si Jomel.
Happy birthday, Romel. 50 years old. The best Beatles song that I can think of right now is Here Comes the Sun. I think after all the hard work, you get to enjoy your mini short retirement. Enjoy it. It's the best birthday gift anyone can give themselves. Nakakainggit tuwing Monday, alam mo yun, yung kaming lahat gigising. Sunday night palang malungkot na kami. Ikaw, you get to relax and sleep in. So enjoy it. Happy 50th and wishing you all good health and love for the family.
Mel, happy 50th birthday, brother. May you have many more birthdays to come.
Hello, Uncle! Happy birthday! I've known you for decades, pero hindi ko alam when and why we call each other Uncle and Auntie. Eh, pareho lang naman tayong bata, diba? Actually, may baby banks ka pa nga eh. Anyway, enjoy your birthday. Happy 50th birthday and have a blast.
Hello, paring Romel. Maligayang happy birthday. O yan, sa kanya galing yan. Memorable experience. Siguro last week, nagla-lunch kami. Tuusap kami tungkol sa Knicks game. Sabi ko, ano bang first name ni Bronson? Sagot ni Romel, Charles. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Papi! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
We remember you, Papi, for always being thoughtful, lalo sa mga bata. Tapos nagiging Santa Claus ka, lalo na kapag sa Pasko.
Masayang kausap, di naubusan ng pagkakwentuhan.
Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come.
All
the best! Happy golden birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Romel. I first met Romel when he joined Marvel and we became colleagues about 15 years ago. I also found out that we went through the same high school and college, although different years. My memories with Romel are our daily lunch discussions about pop culture, stock market, politics, and current events. And also our after office drinks where we discuss the same thing. Then our very occasional basketball games. He can still run a fast break, but he will need a break afterward. I wish you good health, happiness, and more exciting adventures, and more power naps so that everything is still working properly. Maligayang happy birthday!
Oh, Mang Romel, happy birthday! 50 ka na, parang kailan lang at magkasabay pa tayo dumating dito ng same aeroplano.
Oo nga pala, no?
Oo, ilang years ago yun. Happy birthday, all the best sa inyo.
Virgin pa si Romel na, no?
Ha?
Virgin pa si Romel na, no?
Virgin na virgin yun eh, kasi pag hinanap ako sa aeroplano, pagkakita sa akin, ang ganda ng ngiti. Parang sabi nyo, mukhang mapapabuti tayo dito sa Singapore. Sabi na, tayo sa Singapore, mag-enjoy tayo dito. Happy birthday!
Papi, happy birthday! Happy golden. So, thunders ka na. So, stay cool always. Grumpy uncle.
Grumpy uncle. Happy golden birthday, Melman. Melman ang tawag namin sa kanya nung simula high school pa. So, welcome to the Thunder Cloud. So, matagal-tagal na rin tayong nagsasama from St. Andrews to Mapua to Singapore. So, happy birthday. Malakas pa rin uminom yan. Secret man. Grabe yan. So, mga Oktoberfest natin. Looking forward. October Fest. Okay, happy birthday again.
Happy birthday.
Okay.
Ayos.